It's fine. This is how a $10 billion project went down in flames in the span of 9 days. So what exactly is going on here? Everyone should know for sure. Almost like butter after being smashed to bits. I'll be sure to keep you all informed of any fresh developments. The truth is, Terra went through exactly the same thing. The same thing happened when there were 3 Arrow Capitals on board. It was a big crash. The cryptocurrency markets only lying belly is black and full of terrors regarding financial operations that don't catch the sight of the average investor. Terra Luna's and 3 Arrow Capital's activities are hidden from view from the majority of the public. Investment funds are at risk due to the theft of millions of billions of dollars. How did 3 Arrow Capital end up in such a mess? And why is the disaster so similar to Terra Luna? And what can we do to keep it from happening again? A decade ago, Chuchu and Carl Davis launched the company. Singapore is the company's headquarters. So, what caused it to fail? A sort of passive income is generated when investors lend their crypto to companies and receive additional interest in return. 3 Arrow Capital had a straightforward business plan. In essence, they borrow money and then pay it back, returning the funds to the project. They will be invested in other ventures, which will also generate profits. After that, Arrow Capital repaid the loans and kept a portion of the earnings for itself. A borrower in this cycle is a lender. Those who lend out their crypto do so to make a profit. As a result, for more than a decade, we borrowed money from hundreds of crypto companies and enterprises. As a result, over the course of a decade, they took on debt. Investment and repayment were the result. Bitcoin's carnage of historic proportions in 2022 served as the wake-up call for the whole cryptocurrency industry. They were in for a lot of trouble. It was as though the money just stopped coming in. They had to borrow money from Genesis, Voyager, BlockFi, Blockchain, Bitcoin, BitMEX, and Deribit, among others, when the free movement of funds came to a halt. When a result, they took money from everyone, including large corporations, and were unable to pay it back. Much like Luna was unable to simply add liquidity as more people withdrew. To liberate our capital, we're doing the same thing. What's going on right now? After a liquidation of 3 Arrow Capital last month, which resulted in a $655 million default on Voyager Digital's debt, the British Virgin Islands has officially confirmed that the 3 Arrow money possesses 15,000 Bitcoin as borrowed capital. As of now, the whereabouts of the 3 founders are unknown. Rumors have it that the company's co-founders have departed, and this is what happens in a matter of hours. You may say that the bear market, with all its large initiatives, precipitated Terra Luna's demise. I can't deny that she was a big assistance, though. As a result, even the largest corporations with billions and billions of dollars had to be extremely cautious, even if they could afford to acquire for pennies. Ethereum as though the country's pennies are in great peril right now. Trouble. As far as I can tell, Mr. Zhu's previous representatives are said to have misplaced a paper from a lawyer in Singapore, which explains how all of them exposed to 3 Arrow Capital cases ended up there. Genesis, Voyager, BlockFi, Bitcoin, Blockchain, BitMEX most, but not all of them suffer the same fate as 3 Arrow Capital. Not the project, but 3 Arrow Capital is just what occurs. I hope that 3 Arrow Capital gets everything back and repays the investors by the next bull run. Who can say for certain, of course. 7.3 million NFT of Bored Apes are currently on display, as you may be aware, so that they may sell us like they have a 1 Bored API club, 2 mutant apes, and 11 CryptoPunks now worth $3 million. Consequently, they have a variety of items. But what do we know for sure? There is no doubt about that. However, I'll keep you guys updated if you want more icons like this one. Until next time, PSR1.